Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am very excited because I did purchase and receive the new Ofra X Allie Dawson Falling in Love collection. Congratulations to Allie, and I'm so happy to play with this today. So if you want to know more about this collection and if you want to see my thoughts on it and two looks, then just keep on watching. So if you don't know who Allie Dawson is, you're living under a rock because she is such a wonderful, beautiful content creator here on YouTube. I love her videos. I love her as a person. I love her sense of humor. I love watching her content, and I feel like if you don't know who she is, you should go check her out because she's great. But she came out with this beautiful collaboration with Ofra featuring a 5-pan eyeshadow, a matte liquid lipstick, and a lip gloss. I purchased the set for $49, but the Falling in Love signature palette retails for $32. The long lasting liquid lipstick in Kaya is $20, and the lip gloss in Koa is $15. Inspired by her love for the fall season, cozy up to the Falling in Love collection made in collaboration with Allie Dawson. Get ready for sweater weather with the versatile Falling in Love signature palette packed with all the sweetness and spice. Complete your new favorite fall look with Koa and Kaya, the perfect harvest hues that bring all the skin benefits of our gloss and liquid lipstick. Now, I did do a little short where I did open and unbox this, swatch all of these products. Today is the in-depth YouTube video portion of that, and I'm so excited because I'm decorating my room for fall and I'm so excited. I love fall. I'm a fall girly too, just I'm not as open as Allie is. But like September rolls around and I'm like, there you go. I'm like, Halloween. So as I said, the signature palette retails for $32. Travel friendly, compact with a mirror, full of fall for you hues that will give you sweater weather vibes all day and night. You won't need a PSL for warmth and sweetness with the spice packed in this palette, featuring a shimmery pale champagne that can be used to highlight or top the shadows. This travel friendly compact with mirror is full of fall for you hues that will give you sweater weather vibes day or night. I can't talk. Inside the palette, we have Hayride, a cool mustard yellow. We have Bonfire, a warm terracotta. We have White Pumpkin, a shimmery pale champagne, which is so pretty. This shade slays this palette. Sweater Weather, and then we have Evergreen. I can't say sweater weather to save my life. So I'm gonna prime my eyelids and we're gonna start on this eyeshadow palette. I'm so excited. If you can't tell, I busted out the pumpkin blanket. I busted out my Frankenstein pillow over there. I'm just so excited. I love fall. I feel like fall is like cozy times. I love that. I'm using P. Louise, but my P. Louise está mal. Like, it's oily and it's old and I need to get a new one, but I don't have another option right now. This is the only thing I have. Alright, zooming you in for look number one. I'm so excited. I'm going to Orlando this upcoming fall, and I feel like this is something I want to take because it's literally fall. It's super cute. I'm gonna go into Sweater Weather right here, and I'm gonna use this to deepen up the outer corners of my eye. It's so pretty already. I love that shade. And I'm just putting this, like, I'm focusing this more on the outer portions, kind of keeping it really dark right in the center portion, like right there. Because I am going to blend this out with another color, but I want it to be visible. I want you to be able to see this really dark, beautiful burgundy color. And then I'm going to do the same thing in the inner corner because, as I said, I want you to be able to see this color. I'm gonna dip into the shade Bonfire now to blend out the edges of Sweater Weather just lightly with an e.l.f. crease brush because, I don't know, this is like the perfect brush for this in my opinion, because I'm trying to like detail blend right now. I don't want to over blend this. I don't want it to be too dramatic. I kind of want this color to peek through that burgundy shade. Very pigmented orange. I really like the shade of this orange. It goes very well with, I feel like, all these tones. In the center, I want to go into the shade Hayride. I'm seeing this through because I'm kind of scared on how this is going to look. Yeah, because like I don't usually pair these colors. I'm trying to get these colors to like work together. I'm gonna go into the shade White Pumpkin now. Kind of tap that in the center. Okay, well, I kind of have glitter fallout all over my face, so keep that in mind that this palette will shed some fallout everywhere and it will be messy. Definitely one of those palettes you want to use first, not because the mattes have fallout, but because the glittery formula does, so keep that in mind. But yeah, this is look number one. I feel like with some lashes, it'll really look amazing. Very fall, very themed. I'm gonna decorate the room fallish later, so it's gonna fully be a vibe. I'm going to start on look number two now. For look number two, I'm going to take the shade Evergreen, but this is going to go all over everywhere because I want my whole lid to be this color. I'm using an LBE2 and I'm just taking the Evergreen shade and just evenly packing it all over my lid. Try to start blending. I like how this shade is blending. It's giving me zero issues. The color is very even. It looks very even. Alrighty, and to further blend, I'm just taking a small crease brush and I had to make sure my cat wasn't being mauled to death. She loves to get into fights with other cats, and like she's an outdoor cat, but like girly, you're old, you shouldn't be like fighting other cats. I'm using some like translucent setting powder to like blend out the edges and the inner corner here because it looks a little bit harsh. And as a little topper, I'm just gonna add the shade White Pumpkin all over. It's supposed to be like the versatile shade in here, and it is beautiful on top of all of these colors, which I love colors like that. I love shades like that in palettes. I will say that the shade White Pumpkin does have some fallout, so if you're not into that, then maybe use the palette first. I really like this palette. It's so cute. It's perfect for the fall time. It's perfect for what I'm about to do later on. And yes, I will film it because how can I not? It's content. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some lashes, complete the rest of my makeup, and then we'll be right back to try the lippies. Alrighty, here are the eye looks done. I really enjoy them. I left the lower lash line kind of plain. I just rubbed whatever was left on the blending brushes about halfway, and that's what I got. I really enjoy it. I really like both looks. I did mess up my eyeliner just a little bit, but it's fine. It's no big deal. And now it's time to get into the lippy. I'm so excited. I don't know if I put on lip liner. I want to say yes, because like lip liner. I just don't know what color lip liner to put. Let's do Nude Truffle from NYX. I feel like it'll match the liquid lipstick exactly. Already I lined my lips with the NYX lip liner in Nude Truffle. I think it's the perfect shade. And now I'm going to go into the Kaya liquid lipstick. This is named after one of her very cute German shepherds. I love the Ofra liquid lipstick formula. Look how perfect that color was for the lip liner. That was spot on. I just need lip liner. I can't do this without one. Beautiful. I love this color. I love this color. This is like probably my new go-to. Look at it. I love it. I hope that's permanent. And now I'm gonna put the Koa lip gloss on top. This is so cute. It smells good. Okay. This one's named after Koa. Oh, that's so pretty. Yes. This is stunning. I need to mention because like I bought it in the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale, and on the last one they did, they kind of like threw all their products in one day for like one last sale. So I'm hoping they do that again, and if they do, the Tarte Maneater Blushing Glow in the shade Deep Buff is perfect for like this fall vibe that's going on here. It is a glowy makeup product, but it is very, very beautiful, and I do love these. I have the first original shades that they dropped, and then they came out with like a whole new line, and I'm trying to like buy all the other shades even though I don't need to. So good though. Like I love the color. I think it's perfect with this makeup look. But this is the final makeup look. I am so happy with it. I think it's so cute. I love, 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 love the way everything turned out. It makes me happy. It makes me happy for Allie. This is beautiful. I can't. And now I have like a new lip combo that's absolutely beautiful. Like I I love. I feel ready for fall. I absolutely love it. So what did I think of the Ofra x Allie Dawson Falling in Love collection? I absolutely love this collection so much. I do have little things to say, just the only thing I have to say is the shade White Pumpkin is very glittery and the glitter does kind of fall down. So I feel like be cautious with that shade. Maybe do your eyes first to avoid any glitter fallout. But I feel like even with that, I still have some glitter flakes falling down to my cheeks. So I feel like that's something you should keep in mind. I don't know if glitter glue would help that, probably, but it's such a sheer glitter topper that I don't really know how that would work. The mattes blended beautifully. I have nothing to say about the way these blended. They performed wonderfully. The shimmer is the only thing where I'm a little iffy on because it does have so much fallout and it could ruin a good makeup day if you're not careful. The lip combo I absolutely love, love, love. I can't wait to continue wearing this shade. Kaya and Koa, of course they would be a perfect match, but also mixing it with Nude Truffle from NYX. These are super cheap, so you're not breaking the bank, and these are such good lip liners, super underrated, and it's the NYX lip pencil in the shade Nude Truffle, so they're like $3-4. Perfect. Pick it up if you're wanting to get like a nice lip combo out of these. I give this collection a 10 out of 10. I think she killed this collection. I can't wait to dive into it again, and that is it for me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and for clicking today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Hello everyone. Hello. Featuring a 6-pan the long-lasting liquid lips. Get ready for sweater weather with the versatile. Get ready for sweater. Complete your. The perfect harvest fuse is a full or. And then we have sweat. I can't say sweater weather to save my life. I have I will say the shade